कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है कि सब छोड़ छाड़ के सिर्फ एक अच्छा पिज्जा खाया जाए। पिज्जा और एक चिल्ड बियर, लेकिन कोई ऐसा वैसा पिज्जा नहीं, एक अच्छा पिज्जा, एक ओरिजिनल नियोपॉलिटन स्टाइल पिज्जा जिसका ब्रेड सार्डो का हो, चीज भरपूर हो उसमें और टेस्ट मस्त हो, एक ऐसे एटमॉस्फेयर में जहां मैं रिलैक्स कर सकूं। यही पिज्जा खाने के लिए और एक चिल बियर लेने के लिए मैं आया हूं लोअर परेल के लिटिल गैम्बी में। अंदर जाते हैं और आपको पता चलेगा कि एटमॉस्फेयर क्या है वहां। तो चलते हैं लिटिल गैम्बी लोअर परेल में और वहां जाके पूछते हैं कि खाने में क्या है। And cheers, I'm starting with a Mexican lager and then I've ordered the 4 most iconic pizzas of Little Gambie and a lot of other food. But first, that's refreshing. Okay, shall we start with the pizzas? देखते हैं क्या क्या pizza है. So I'm going to start with this. This is the Bang Bang pizza, which is a pizza with Asian spices. It's got cottage cheese on it, spicy red bird-eye chilies, yes, and spring onion and Thai basil is what it's garnished with. Let me take a slice and see how this tastes. This is one of the iconic pizzas designed for our wonderful Indian palate. The first thing that you notice is that the bread is wonderful. It's nice sourdough bread. The edges are nice and crusty. Not the biggest fan of cottage cheese, but this cottage cheese tastes really good. The sauce is beautiful and got a nice kick to it. A nice spice to it. Yeah. With the pizza, there's a lot of other food that has come also, जिसके बारे में मैं बात करूँगा, लेकिन पहले पिज्जा के बारे में बात करते हैं. This is called घासपूस. घासपूस means vegetarian. Little Gambie's version of a farmhouse pizza. It's loaded with a lot of veggies. Look, I can see zucchini over here, mushrooms over here, sun-dried tomato San Marzano base, and it's topped with charred broccoli, and it's got lots of Parmigiano Reggiano. Let's try this. Normally when you eat a pizza, when you put a vegetable, it just feels like a damn salad that you're eating. But this one, because your vegetables are beautifully grilled, there's a little crunch in the zucchini, even the broccoli. This is very nice. And there's that little extra Parmigiano, or Parmesan cheese, which makes all the difference in this pizza. And so you've got this wonderful San Marzano sauce, but you've got sun-dried tomatoes also. This is what they call the Gully Boy pizza. Gully Boy has Jamaican-style jerk chicken. Chicken is marinated in charred onions and spring onions, and the chicken is then smoked for nearly 10 to 12 hours. So now just imagine all this lovely chicken, beautifully marinated, smoked, and then you make a pizza out of it. And unusual, but it's topped with crispy spinach. It's a great combination. You know, when you smoke chicken, the flavor of the chicken changes completely. It becomes this rich, meaty flavor at best. Also, the smoked chicken has been marinated in charred onions, so there's a little sweetness to it, and then topped with crispy spinach, which is unusual, right? And now the spicy Dum Marke, Goli Marke Revolver. The Revolver is the original Little Gambie pizza. What they started off with. The sauce is made out of 4 of the country's spiciest chilies. And the chicken is then marinated in this paste of 4 spicy chilies. And then it's topped with in-house Mexican matcha sauce and garnished with fresh coriander, full desi male. तो ये हो गए इनके 4 बेस्ट पिज्जाज। अब आगे बढ़ते हैं थोड़ा सा। आप जानते हो कि मैं 4 पिज्ज़ा कम्प्लीटली नहीं खा सकता, लेकिन मैंने 2-2, 3-3 बाइट खाए सब पिज्ज़ा के, और मैंने पिज्ज़ा साइड में रखा है क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत सारा और खाना है। There's a lot of other food over here. Before I get on to the burger, let me tell you a little bit about this place, okay? I've come a little early, so it's yet to get nice and packed, okay? But this place has a great vibe. It's got a nice street side vibe. You look around, you see a lot of graffiti over here, lovely paintings. It's a super place to hang out when you want to watch a match or just come with friends, have a couple of beers. They've got 16 different kinds of beers out here. And plus a full bar, I think. Yeah, and a full bar. And the food's great. It's all sort of what I call two-hand food. You can hold everything in 2 hands and eat it. That's what. And I'm going to hold that burger in 2 hands and have it right now. Okay, this is a chicken burger. It's called Shut the Cluck Up. Doesn't rhyme with anything. It's just called Shut the Cluck Up. Fried chicken with mayo, but not any mayo, Naga mayo. And when we say Naga mayo, you know, it's going to be now for all of those who have good ears. Can you hear the crunch? Huh? If it's a chicken burger, it needs to be fried because there's no fun otherwise. And this is because it's fried so well and it's so generous. The amount of chicken in it, the Naga mayo gives it a really nice kick. So you've got the creaminess of the mayo, the spice of the Naga chilies, again served with these 2 wonderful sauces and coleslaw. This is a really good sandwich, and what makes it really nice is I look at the bread, it just looks so nice and beautiful. It's a Bandra boy. It's got barbecue chicken, chipotle barbecue chicken in a Mexican matcha sauce, stuffed with lots of goodies, tomatoes and salad, onions, and it's huge. And I cannot believe that one person can finish this, but obviously there are bigger eaters than I am. The chicken itself is beautifully smoky. The matcha sauce is sweet and spicy. The wonderful thing is that it's crunchy because of the salad. And the chicken itself is moist, and the word that comes to my mind is fulfilling. Really nice. It's served with 2 kinds of mayo here, which I cannot avoid French fries in life. You know, the thing is that really nice, these 2 sauces are really nice, but you don't need the sauce for this sandwich because there's a lot of flavor in it already. Okay, अभी थोड़ा इधर आते हैं. They have prawns. Ghee roast prawn tacos. This is the taco. What is now very popular, ghee roast prawns topped with little crisply fried curry leaves. Beautiful. It looks nice. 2 really plump prawns in ghee roast. Crisply fried leek on top. Curry leaves, which is part of the sauce, but they are also nice and crisp. It's on a Malabar paratha, which is nice and flaky. Take a famous Indian dish like ghee roast, give it a little twist, turn into really nice finger food. The kind of food that you would like जब आप बार में बैठे हो, बियर स्विग कर रहे हो, 4-5 दोस्त हैं अपने साथ, फटाफट खाना चाहिए सामने, ऐसा खाना. इंडियन फूड लेके थोड़ा सा उसको ट्विस्ट करके आओ. Now, butter garlic prawns आपने सुना है ना? But have you heard of butter garlic prawns with madras curry? So, na? This is madras curry butter garlic prawns served with garlic toast. Very, very interesting preparation. अभी मद्रास करी जो होती है ना, तो एक्चुअली ब्रिटिश डिश है, लेकिन हमने यहाँ अडैप्ट किया है और बटर गार्लिक प्रॉन्स के साथ मिक्स करके थोड़ा सा ग्रेवी करके एक डिपिंग ब्रेड है ये, ये थोड़ा सा फुल ऑफ बटर, फिर इसे ऐसे डिप करके मेरे सबसे बड़ा वीकनेस ब्रेड के बगैर होता ही नहीं. ओके, अभी यहाँ जाते क्या ये सैंडविच क्या देखते हैं? Oh, this looks like a ham sandwich. Now this is what I love the most. Notorious PIG. Chorizo, bacon and Belgium ham in this wonderful bread. Look at this. Can you see the ham? Look at it. Lovely, no? पहले मैं थोड़ा ham ही उठा के खाता हूँ. Oh, the Belgian ham is really good. Freshly baked bread made out of the pizza dough with layers of smoky, strong flavored chorizo and rich, creamy Belgian ham with a slight bitterness of rocket, crunchy, beautiful. And cheese. And if I were you, I'd have one more bite, chalo. The pull apart garlic bread is hot as hell. So if I use my fingers, my fingers will get pulled apart. But I'm showing you exactly how this. And if I put this in my mouth is going to burn. Oh. This cheese. Hot honey jalapeno poppers. Hot honey jalapeno poppers. Lovely soft balls, deep fried, crunchy, soft, dipped in honey, and spicy and sweet. The last thing left is Kerala fried chicken sliders. Unbelievable how you take famous Indian dishes and convert them to really, really easy to eat, handy finger foods. Retaining all the flavor of the Kerala chicken, the spice, but adding a twist to it, a little sort of take to it with a mint mayo chutney. The chicken is very nice, by the way. This Kerala fried chicken is very nice. So, अभी आप सोचो, मैच है, दोस्त मिल रहे हैं, जहाँ बहुत सारा बियर मिलता हो. There's no other place like Little Gambia to come to them. यहाँ आ जाओ, मज़ा करो, अच्छा खाना खाओ, जैसे मैंने खाया है, और cheers. अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ राइट टू अस, लिखिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और कमेंट कीजिएगा, और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए ये खाने में क्या है.
Little meal at Little Gambia.
Huh?
Little meal. But
This
house
is-
is
The food is all very good, excellent. The sandwich is beautiful because the meats are only beautiful.
If you had to pick one pizza, then which will be your go-to one?
Gully boy.
Gaspoos, right?
No. Yeah, Gazpachoos is very nice though, but Gully boy is very nice. Gully boy, because I like smoked barbecue chicken and nicely marinated. It's beautiful. But this I could eat all day.